Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making the Tropical Depression. That's an interesting name. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Anyway, we're going to try to make this drink. It has quite a lot of booze in it, but in the same respect, it also has a lot of everything else. So let's go ahead and get down to what you'll need. You'll need Grenadine, obviously, and lime juice. You'll need Aboslut vodka, rum, gin, and you'll also need some Blue Curacao. And let's go ahead and get down into making this drink. You'll need a shaker. It's recommended. You probably don't have... Well, there's Grenadine here. You want to shake this up. I'm going to put in 2 old ice cubes. 3 ice cubes are better, but again, I don't feel like going upstairs if I don't have to. Multiple times. Oh, and I forgot to mention you also need Sprite. Probably regular Sprite would be better, but I don't have any on hand that I'm not currently going to be using, and I think we're running out. So I'm going to use 0 sugar instead. Let's go ahead and get down into making this. You'll need 2 ounces of vodka. You'll need 2 ounces of rum. Ideally, you probably want to go with white rum. You might be able to get away with, I don't know about dark rum. Might be able to get away with like Captain Morgan. So 2 ounces of rum. And then you will also need 2 ounces of gin. No tequila this time, thankfully. I do not care for tequila. You cannot... I know I will use it. I'm just gonna hate it. 2 ounces of gin. I know I should be doing this the bartender way and actually hold it like this and dump it in, but... You suck! And spill it all over your bar. But I'm lazy. And you need 1 ounce of Blue Curacao. A little bit more, not too much more. Use a Barspoon for this, because I can't do splashes to save my life. That was a little more than a splash, but you know, it's fine. Everything's fine. Yummy. I always like sugar. And a teaspoon, or not a teaspoon, a splash of lime juice. That's good enough. And then we shake this on up until it's cold. Ideally, you want to have a big glass, probably a highball glass, or one of these cups will do just fine. Drop the ice all over your bar because you don't know how to pick up ice apparently. And give her a nice good shake until the shaker is cold. Sounds like a lot of this ice is already melted, which is very unfortunate. Didn't think I'd take that long. And then go ahead and pour it on into your glass. Like so. And it kind of looks like it's sort of layered on. Actually, I wonder if the Grenadine and the lime juice is actually supposed to be... Oh well. I think it was actually supposed to fall down into the thing instead of actually adding it to the shaker. Seemed like a stupid mistake on my part. But, oh well. Just gonna have to live with it. 3 to 4 ounces of Sprite. There's 1.5 ounce. That's another 1.5 ounces, so we're now at 3. I'm gonna go for 4.5 ounces. Because 4 to 5 ounces sound like it's to your preference. Now, in the lovely looking picture, it does not look this deep blue. It looks like a very light blue, like a cyan blue. I do like this blue though. It's a nice, pretty blue. But let's go ahead and give it a test. Oh God, Might have added a little too much lime juice or Blue Curacao. That's tropical depression for you. Oh, it's already giving me sadness. This is rough. Like I said, Blue Curacao, it overtakes anything you put in this glass. It is ridiculous. I don't think it would be 1 ounce of Curacao, Blue Curacao. You just can't. There's no way. Unhealthy me wants more Grenadine. Which ain't gonna really do much since it's at the bottom, but still as gross as I thought it was going to be. I mean, if you really like lime juice and orange citrus together, this would probably be the drink for you. However, not my kind of drink. It's relatively disgusting to me. Probably if I didn't add so much lime juice into it, or maybe cut back on the Blue Curacao. Hell, even change the Blue Curacao to something else. Something blue that's not that. It might have tasted better. Like adding Island Punch Pucker, which I do not have a lot of anymore. I'm still waiting for a shipment to come in so I can actually get more. Just anything that's blue that's not Blue Curacao. I'm feeling depressed already. Now it's just purple. A nice purple color. I don't know why I'm still drinking out of it. Would not recommend. It's not great. It's not great at all. It was fun to make, just not my style. And the person that sent me this photo was a friend of mine. He wanted me to try it out, and he's like, oh, we'll try the tequila version later. And it's like, now I really don't want to. Sorry, bud, I love you, but I don't know about this one. If you like that, go check out my other videos. We now have a Discord link down in the description. If any of you guys have a drink or shot recipe, leave it down in the comment section below. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you all next time.